Okay, here we have a Shark AI Ultra. It's new and a 2.5-year-old AV2501S Boost IQ. The Eufy is great at picking up pet hair. It's not so great at picking up bigger pieces of debris or leaves. It's pretty easy to clean. The Shark is picking up about 2 to 3 times more debris than the Eufy, but it's actually not as good with pet hair. It picks up bigger things like Cheerios or little pieces of soil or whatever that you might have. But it's very, very loud in comparison, both when it's running and especially when it docks and sucks up all the junk into the container. It's loud enough to wake you up, and it does that, I think, every time it docks. The Shark is also not really as intuitive to use. You have to use the app. There's no remote control, whereas the Eufy has a pretty standard remote control, but no app. If you open up either one of them, the Eufy is pretty basic and easy to clean. The Shark is not as easy to clean and has a lot more parts, nooks and crannies. I'm gonna turn them on just so you can hear the noise level. Put a little bit of dirt. I'm using the remote and it's just gonna dock. And then here's the Shark. No remote, so I'm just pushing clean. Takes a few seconds. It also only has two, it also has 2 spinning brushes, but the brushes have fewer prongs, I guess, if you will. So you can hear that it's pretty loud. But it does a better job of picking things up. Just press dock. Wait for the noise. So it's having some difficulty docking itself.
Shark just goes back and forth, cleaning all areas. I have it scheduled to come on at 9 a.m. in the morning, and it cleans every day for about an hour and a half for a 1,200 square foot house. House is always clean and makes it be dust free also. When it goes back to the station, it empties itself. That's a great feature that I like. Now, such a house.
I'm introducing you my Sharky. I did name him Sharky. He is absolutely amazing robot. He works absolutely amazing. The only issue I had, because I have the whole house, it's just a carpet, his things are going like that, and I only had him like for, I don't know, literally a month. Yeah, I don't think I had him, like, he's still on the return time, but he gets a bunch of scratches by himself already, but he does his job pretty amazing. And his tank does collects for 30 days, which is, I don't know, once it goes around your house once or twice in hard spots, probably gonna be.
Okay, there's a little button on top there that you push down and you pull that tray out and you take it and go dump all that in your garbage. And it's real easy. You just pull that little lever down on the side there and the bottom drops out and you could just empty it out like that. It slides right back in there. Easy peasy, no problems at all. And there's right there on the bottom, there's a replacement kit that you could buy, and I think it's like $22, and you could place the brushes and the rollers and everything. It's really easy, and at some point that thing's going to get stopped up just like that. You just pull that out of there, throw it away, no fuss, no muss. And I've named her Hazel. There she goes, underneath the dishwasher and everything. She's amazing. And like I said, for $22, you just buy a replacement kit and take that roller out and the brushes off and fix them up. No fuss, no mess. I love her.
This little robot vac is amazing. So check this out. So I think it's on ultra clean. Sorry for the dogs. Look what it's doing. It goes in rows and it literally comes back and it'll go back into this other road. It'll move up a little bit, goes back over, and it goes like that. So this thing is like ultra cleaning. I love this little robot vac. And with that one there, and then that one over there, and it's amazing. And it'll just keep doing it. And then
here it is emptying after doing a 2-room workout that was approximately 15 minutes. Said it would be 55 minutes. And this is the cleaned carpet that was on max cleaning. This is what's left. It didn't pick up any of the dog hair. It does an abysmal and horrible job of cleaning. Very disappointed. I would not recommend this vacuum to purchase. It's a waste of time, it's a waste of money. It doesn't pick up.
When we got the robot, we were like, we're gonna love this robot forever. We're gonna totally clean up and not let it get killed on kids' toys. But, you know, week goes by, we're like, fuck it.
One pass of this thing. One pass. Look at this. Oh my God.
Okay, this is really disgusting, but if you want a shark vacuum robot for pet hair, I would say go for it. This was just one clean today-ish. Okay.
Please make sure my bumper is moving freely. Error number 6. Please make sure my bumper is moving freely. Error number 6.